This is Peter Lau. Today is Thursday, May 30th. I'm at 33691 Via Cascada, San Juan, Capistrano, California. I'll be entering through the front side cleanout. That's the front door to the house over there. And in a brief moment, we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line, as that provides the clearest video. We're about 55 feet into the main sewer line where it ties in with the city sewer at a depth of 8 feet. I'll be making my way back towards the access point. Currently what you're seeing on the screen is the city sewer pipe that runs about 6 to 8 inches in diameter, and there's a few ways that I can tell that we've reached the city sewer connection. So as I push forward, you cannot see the top part of the pipe, and if I pull backwards, we're working our way back towards the home. As stated previously, you'll be able to see the top portion of the pipe in this regard. So currently in clay piping, that's very typical to see. Most cities will use clay for their sewer line material. And right over here, you are seeing some root intrusion. And roots are typically caused by offsets within the clay portion of the line. That's typically what allows for the roots to grow in. And typically if they grow in from a joint, they don't cause any lasting damage, such as cracks and stuff like that. In this case, the root intrusion is not causing any blockages. However, I will recommend that the line gets hydrojetted just to clear out everything and also to verify the condition that has been affected by roots. Water was ran prior to the inspection with about 50 feet remaining. So there's a few reasons why I like to run water before and during the inspection. I'm looking for stagnant water in the line, and I'm just going to let the camera sit here for a moment. You can actually see the water flowing out towards the city sewer. So that's not considered stagnant water over there. Basically, I'm looking for the camera head to be submerged underwater. That indicates an amount of water in the line that is significant. Once again, we're not seeing that here. The distance indicator is noted on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, with about 39 feet remaining. And then more root intrusion noted on the left-hand side. Once again, that appears to be growing in from the joint. So what I'm looking for right now is any separations, bellies, any cracks within the line. Typically you will not see bellies within the clay portion. If there's any buildup of water, it's most likely due to roots or a grease buildup. And we're seeing something very similar that we just saw. The roots are growing in at a joint once again. So typically, like I said, roots grow in from an offset, and that's currently what you're seeing on the screen. You can see the joint has become off-centered over time due to tremors in the earth or heavy construction. This offset is not causing any blockage at the present time of inspection. So we have just transitioned to materials, currently in ABS. So ABS is typically seen in newer homes and is the preferred plumbing material for underneath the house. Typically you'll see a few sections of ABS heading out, even going underneath the driveway in some cases, and then it turns into that clay connection. So ABS is a plastic pipe. The estimated service life is about 100 years, given the ideal circumstances. And it's relatively easy to replace sections of ABS. With about 7 feet remaining. So that's just some grease buildup combined with some debris. And more roots. And we're making our way back up the access point. Camera head's currently dangling, which is why there's lens flare. I'm about to clear that up. And this concludes the inspection of the main sewer line. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.